now I'm about to hop into the 64 and go ahead and give you all that cold start. Well, that 64 running. Well, she sound like she gonna go somewhere on it. Those 64, what we got under the hood? What's good under the hood? Oh, I'm over here crazy. It's already open. That 327 sounds good. Got a little dust when they clean this thing up. Well, we about to put a lot more dust on this thing today. How you open the door, you gotta stick your little finger in like, push it in. Look at that, bam, boy. She's nice to me, she pop open. She's nice to me. Turn the signal right off. It's a classic, baby. It's a classic, you can't get this every day. All right, back to the motion, Let's get it done. We're gonna go ahead and start cutting this rust out here, all the way around. We only got but 2 bad spots we're gonna cut out. We're gonna cut that one out right now. We already got the patch panel for here. I'm gonna try to put some fresh welds in here to fill these in. These are not all the way through rust. It's not even, the metal around is still pretty good. So I'm gonna try to put some fresh welds in here and see if that'll fix the issue on that. But this one gotta cut out. And this one, we're gonna cut most of this out too. We're gonna put a new patch panel in here, up here where it's kind of pitted a little bit. I'm gonna try to put fresh welds in that, grind it down flat, smooth it out. I think we'll be Gucci on that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are bagged up with work and we need to go ahead and get this 64 done by this week. What do y'all think? You think we can get it done by this week? Hit that comment section below and let's see. I want to put it to the test, but I got my bro here. I got my bro Tommy here today. He gonna be back here. He gonna do the sanding on all the body work here on the car, so he's gonna hit the whole car with 320 while I will be, and y'all gonna be with me. So we're gonna be doing the cutout of all the rust panels, putting in the patch panels, and getting that thing ready to be sprayed. So we got a lot of work to do, and we got no time to waste. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and follow your boy on Instagram at D's Nuts and Bolts. And like always, guys, come on and hit that subscribe button and join D's Nuts and Bolts family. Y'all already know the deal. Let's get to work. Okay, first thing first, we're gonna start with this one. I got my little tape measure, and what I like to do is, there's plenty of ways to do it, but I like to measure out my whole damage area. So say my whole damage area right here, there's 4.5, and then it's 4.5 by 3 inches. So basically all I'm gonna do is line it out on here, 4.5 by 3, and make a perfect square, cut it, and then I'm just gonna trace it up here, and then it will match up perfectly, and all I have to do is weld it in. So you'll see everything. You'll see what I'm talking about once I get to it. So let's go ahead and let's do that. That is it for the patch panel. Pretty simple to do. So now I'm gonna get my MIG welder. I'm gonna go ahead and MIG weld this thing up. And also I'm gonna hit these little spots right here, and I'm gonna let you know how this actually works with these little pinholes to see if putting fresh weld in it, will it work better that way. So I'm gonna go grab the welder. We're gonna go ahead and weld this thing up. Tommy over here still sanding. He's doing an excellent job. Yo, Tommy, you ain't gonna say nothing, man? So he already got that thing sanded down with 320. Looking good. So this is actually helping along really well to have some extra help in here. But man, doing it all by yourself ain't fun. So I went ahead and welded these little spots up right here. It actually did pretty good. I got a few more little pinholes to hit. Then I'll sand that again. Patch panels in, but and then at the very last minute, found some more rust, so that's gotta come out. And I gotta fill in all these little pinholes all the way around. Then we'll be ready to put on some fiberglass filler and the Bondo. But we got a couple spots we still gotta hit. That one, not too bad. The very worst one is the one on the driver's side. Man, it's a lot. It's gonna be a pretty big catch panel, but this time, since I learned on the other side, to make sure I just cut even more down to make sure I get all of it out. So that's what I failed to do on that side. So I should have been taking my screwdriver, you know, and poking it, seeing what was hard and what was soft. That was a little incognito, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix that and put another piece of patch panel in on the other side and finish this up over here. Let me paint a picture for y'all. It is 96 degrees and y'all see it. I got the long sleeve shirt on because I don't have a welding jacket, so I'm using this to keep all of the welding slag from falling on me and burning me up. But in the meantime, I'm burning up as well because it's hot in here. So I'm sure a lot of y'all can understand me if y'all ever worked in a shop. It's already hot in the shop and now it's hot even more with the sweatshirt on. But let me show you what I already got done. I got a lot of stuff done today. I'm super excited for all the stuff that has got done, and this car's gonna be done. That's too many dones, but it's gonna be done at the end of this week. So guys, stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, hit them post notifications, and also don't skip any of them ads because you'll help your boy out. So let me show you what I got going. So update on the vehicle. The car has been all sanded down just like it needs. Now I'm gonna go through on each one of these panels piece by piece so I can make sure that I get every area, like, you know, little chips like this that need to be filled with little spot putty and stuff like that. So my plan of action is I'm gonna work specifically just on this quarter, get the quarter straight, just on the trunk, get the trunk straight, and so on and so forth. But I got the patch panel in on this one right here. Just need a few more touch-up welds on it. Super happy with this. I just got a few touch-up welds that I need to hit on this. That's good. Still need to cut that one out. And the other side needs to be cut out as well. But overall, this car is coming along. That patch panel in. The other side is in. Just need minor touch-up. I'm gonna come back and do all my touch-up on all of my welding panels, and then we'll call it done. This right here is where I touched up the welds on it. As you can see, I just welded, put new weld in it, and then I grinded it down. So hopefully I'm gonna do some more touch up on it with getting these little pinholes. So hopefully that this will solve this problem here, since it got new metal in it. And basically when I was welding it, all the old metal was just falling off until it got hard to some of this harder end where it wasn't rotten. So I'm pretty confident that this is going to be good to go. So I'm going to try the same method here on the front side. As you can see, well, this is all the way through. I might just cut this one out. I think just to save my grace, I'm just going to go ahead and cut that out. This right here is pretty good. I might be able to get away with just doing that little bit of welding. But overall, man, the 64 is looking great. right, so got all the body work done. Pretty pleased with everything right now. Man, I can't tell you how much is hot in here. I'm glad I got all this welding done. The body work is done. She looks good right now. So I think this is it. This is it for today, guys. Hey, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Guys, go ahead and hit that post notification so you don't miss any of these videos. When we come back on the 64, I'm gonna go ahead and do the body work on it before y'all come back and see it, because that's the boring part. Y'all already know that. But when you come back, the body work gonna be done. Hopefully I get in primer, and then we'll go ahead and get this thing painted, because I know that's what you're waiting for. So, like always, if you haven't done so already, follow your boy on Instagram. That's when you'll be in tune with what's going on before YouTube. So, like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.